Did you know that some natural ingredients can work like Viagra? Let's make a simple yet powerful drink that helps improve blood flow and boost testosterone naturally. First, watermelon. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that relaxes and dilates blood vessels, improving circulation, just like Viagra. Plus, it has been shown to naturally support testosterone production. Next, ginger. Ginger increases blood flow, enhances circulation, and may also help boost testosterone, making it a great addition to this powerful drink. And finally, lemon. Lemon is packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that help improve male performance and overall wellness. Now, let's put it all together. Add half a cup of water, 120 ml, to blend these ingredients smoothly. Drink half a cup of this every morning for the best results. But remember, if you're hypersensitive to any of these ingredients, avoid drinking it. By the way, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. Now here's the big news. This recipe is great, but what if there was something even more powerful? After extensive research, experts developed Nitrox Pro, a natural Viagra that takes all the benefits of this drink and enhances them with even stronger and more effective ingredients. While this homemade recipe is good, Nitrox Pro goes further, not just boosting blood flow and testosterone, but also improving stamina, energy, and performance like never before. And the best part? It's easy, convenient, and scientifically optimized for the best results. So if you want a real hassle-free solution, click the link in the description and try Nitrox Pro today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss new content. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe or if you've already experienced the benefits of Nitrox Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.